In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a favorite filter in CapCut quickly and easily. If you've saved a filter to your favorites and now want to clean up your list or remove one you don't use anymore, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps. This is super helpful if you want to keep your CapCut workspace organized and make it easier to find the effects and filters you actually use. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your CapCut project so you're working in the edit where the filter is currently applied or saved. Once your project is open, look at the top menu and click Filters. This will take you into the filter section where you can browse all available options. Next, on the left side menu, click Favorites. This is where CapCut stores any filters you've marked with a star for easy access later. Now you'll see your favorite filters displayed in the Favorites list. Find the filter you want to remove, then hover your mouse over it. When you do that, you should see the star icon appear on the filter. Simply click that star icon again to unfavorite it. Once you click it, CapCut will remove that filter from your favorites list right away. If you want, you can repeat the same process for any other filters you no longer want saved. That's all there is to it. Just open your project, go to Filters, open Favorites, hover over the filter, and click the star again to remove it. This is a fast way to keep your filter list tidy and make CapCut easier to use. If this tutorial helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more CapCut tips, edits, and how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.